Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you my binagoong talong recipe. And for the meat, I bought kasing and pork liempo. First thing to do, boil the pork until its water dries up. And we all know the pork releases its own fat. So there's no need to use any kind of oil to saute garlic and onion. While frying the pork, let it cook until it turns to golden brown. And next, let's saute the garlic and onion. It's up to you guys if you want the garlic and onion yung medyo sunog or sunog. Kasi for me, I prefer not to overcook the onion and garlic. Isi-share ko lang sa inyo guys, this is the one of my favorite dishes. Ang hirap pala mag-voice over na ubusan ako ng ibabato sa inyo. Share ko lang din pala sa inyo before meron na akong ads sa YT channel ko. And just because I used to work in a big company, I lost time to upload my videos na. Then I decided to delete all my videos in my YT channel. I regret. Sana nga hindi ko na lang binuray mga videos para hindi nawala yung ads ko. Ay, ang daldal ko na naman. Let's go back sa niluluto ko. So, after sauteing the garlic and onion, isulit natin yung shrimp paste. So, isusutay lang natin ang shrimp paste until it is well cooked. And then, optional lang pala guys yung paglagay mo ng sili. Kasi ako, lalagyan ko siya ng Aces chili paste. Uy, binibenta ko yan. Bili ka na. Naku, kung nandito ka lang, the aroma. And by the way guys, I already fried the eggplant earlier so that it won't be overcooked later kapag ilalagay ko na siya sa karne. Gutom na ako guys. I'll eat a lot later. Charot, tapos na pala kanina. Nagugutom ako guys habang nag-voice over. So, pagkaluto ng alamang, lex natin yung sugarcane vinegar. Oh, nagtatanong kayo bakit ko nilagyan ng suka. I added vinegar to balance the saltiness of the shrimp paste. Nakakuha na naman kayo ng tip. I also add sugar so that your love has some sweetness. Joke lang. Naku, may pick up line pang lola ninyo. Then, after adding the sugar, mix the ingredients well. Isunod na nga natin yung talong. Then, i-stir natin siya hanggang mag-mix lahat ng recado. Yan na, grabe ang favorite kong talong. Any kind of cooked eggplant, kakainin ko yan. You know what guys, kanina habang niluluto ko yan, naamoy ng kapatid ko. Gustong gusto na daw niyang kumain. Gutom na siya dahil sa amoy. Well, I told him, magdusa ka. Alangan naman papakain ko ng hilaw pa. Look delicious daw yung ulam, kaya nanuhol pa ng coke. So guys, pasensya na kayo sa boses ko ne. Parang laging may kaaway, palaging galit. Pero normal na talaga yung boses ko, asti. Okay, let's get back na to cooking. I will use tomato sauce kasi recipe ko to. You can also use kamatis as you like. But for me, I prefer to use tomato sauce kasi mas malinamnam. Can you see that guys? Nagmamantika na sa sarap. Grabe, I promise to myself pa naman na mag-diet na ako. Pero dahil sobrang sarap itong niluto ko kanina, napadami na naman ako ng rice. Guys, let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Luto na yan. Guys, tatapusin ko na ang mini vlog na to. Then wala na akong masabi. Pagod na ako mag-voice over. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Let's eat! Manganta na! Manganta yun!